Good morning, everyone. It's Aaron at King's Ding Repair, showing you a crease on a F-250 King Ranch Edition tailgate. This repair will be done on site and will be done to perfection. Stay tuned for the finished results. There it is, everyone. The finished 2018 Ford F-250 King Ranch tailgate crease, done perfectly on site in the customer's driveway. No need for a body shop or anything like that. More than likely a body shop would have wanted to replace the tailgate due to that it's aluminum, but this tailgate is saved. OEM tailgate and OEM paint, still original.